Who are the worst people in my life? I will tell you that. Not enemies we know, but those who hide beneath false smiles, who deceive others, and who play with people's life. Those who twist the truth, those who wear masks of friendship, or rather those who sold their souls to evil. If you ask the source of my pain and anger, I will grasp a sip of air to keep my voice steady. Then I will speak my words of grief. They stole my mother's life, innocence future. They also stole my father's peace and tore apart his soul. They almost made me an orphan on this earth. Who granted them such terrible power? Justice awaits in a court beyond their reach. To humanity, I whisper, hold on to our hopes and prayers. We will rise as one, our cause righteous and true. Not here, not now, but in time. Our victory is written in heaven by Allah.